Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this John Deere motor here. It's a V-Twin, and then it's at a high idle. So there's three possible things could be wrong. The idle screw could be in too far. Another thing is right underneath here, this is your idle spring. That could be too tight. So if your motor is revving too high at full throttle, that could cause it too. This top spring right here, that's when you need to adjust for your high speed. I'm gonna check the idle screw here first before I do anything. So that idle screw is not the problem. So I'm going to start up the motor here and put the throttle at full speed and check the RPMs. So I got a digital tachometer here I bought on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy one. Click on the link. So I'm going to start the motor up and I'll put power on here. And just aim it here when it's spinning. Spinning way too much. Put the throttle up here and I'm going to try to push in on that tab here, bend it in a little bit. Yeah, I bought a set of these needle noses with the extra long reach. They work really good. So these ones are 90 degrees, so I'm just going to put it on there and try to bend it in a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna bend it in. I'm gonna check it again. I gotta adjust it a little bit more. So we want 36. That's pretty damn close. I'm gonna leave it right there. And now I'm gonna check the idle. To solve the problem was somebody cranked up the speed on the motor, which affects the idle. So let's say the RPM was good. You're gonna have to bend this tab right here up. And that will lower your RPMs down. All right, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.